Oh. Hello, Auntie Cheesy. How are you? I miss you. I'm fine. Bro, Chima is fine too. I think so. Yeah. Auntie Cheesy, there's this girl by Tercy that has been around for some time now. And based on the information I got from the outset, their relationship is getting stronger. Yes, it's getting stronger. She's a good girl. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Take care of yourself. Okay, I miss you. Oh, Auntie Cheesy. Okay. Let me just have to sit down. Oh.
Hey, madam. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
My name is Prince. Your son looks so cute.
Oh, thank you. Have we met before?
No, I stay around here. What's your son's name?
Oh, Kenneth.
Kenneth. Actually, I have a boy of his age, and I bought a ball for my son. If you don't mind, I can give it to him as a gift.
Okay.
Hey, Kenneth. Good boy.
Oh, wow. So people are actually nice, though. He wanna gift you a ball. It's fine.
Kenneth.
Oh, wow.
This is for you. Say thank you. Good boy.
Thank you so much.
All right, you take care of yourself, right?
It's fine. Don't miss. All right.
Some other time.
Oh, fine. Thank you. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. So what do you say? Say, I love you, mommy.
I love you, mommy.
Yeah, baby. Say, I love you, mommy.
I love you, mommy.
Yeah. Again. Give me. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
But I feel like fun in the night, till I'm down for the way.
So, Desi, tell me, what is going on between you and my brother? Don't worry, I know. I'm just curious. Are you guys planning to get married?
I don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know?
Because he has not said anything about marriage.
But do you love him?
Of course I do. I love him.
And I'm sure my brother loves you too. You're such a wonderful girl.
Thank you so much.
I just pray my brother gets married to you.
I just hope so. I'll be the happiest woman on earth if that happens.
Oh, sweetheart. Welcome, brother.
Thanks, Jen. What are you still doing here? You came over for a weekend. Now you've been here for a month. Do you want to live here?
Ah, brother.
Stay out of this. It's none of your business. Now listen, before I get back tomorrow afternoon, you are long gone from here.
Hey, no. Sweetheart!
Don't you butt me.
Hey,
Don't
wait.
you butt me.
Jane! Calm down. Do you have any shoes with you?
No!
Don't worry. Don't worry. Huh? Just relax. Don't worry. Let me talk to you. Don't worry.
What did I do?
What is going on? Why did you suddenly ask Tercy to leave the house? I thought you loved her.
I don't have time for love.
But this girl is a nice girl. A wife material.
Can we talk about some other thing?
I don't know what is happening. I don't know what is happening to you.
I just got back. I have not eaten. You don't even care if I eat.
Tercy is making your food.
What? No. Chinaza! 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 Sir. Come here. Come here. Come and stand here. Now listen. Let this be the first and last Teresa will make my food in this house. Next time she does, you're back to your father's house. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Now get out.
I'm sorry, sir.
Brother.
Will you stop this and get out of here?
What up, pencil?
Okay. The boy and the mom are in the base. But there's something I don't understand. You've taught me a lot of things. How the boy and the mom slept in a blink of an eye. That is what I don't understand.
I sent you to buy a ball, remember?
Yes, boss.
That football you bought, I injected it with a chemical substance known as chloroform CHCl3. Chloroform is a chemical substance capable of making anyone who inhales it unconscious, dizzy and sleepy within 5 minutes. Besides the chloroform, I equally injected the football with another chemical substance. I will not disclose the name to you now. This second substance has the work of perforating anything it comes in contact with. So when the football got perforated, the chloroform evaporates. Anyone around inhales, dozes off. That's all I did. This is not magic. It's pure science. I want you to understand something, Pencil. We are the children of the poor. We have to do everything within our powers to make sure that the coming generation does not suffer what we suffered. And just like Pablo Escobar, I want my name to be written on the sands of time. Posterity will judge me right. I want my name and my pictures to be designed and hung as frames in people's houses, a sign of motivation and inspiration to the coming generation. As a man who broke the yoke of poverty, a man who did not allow his background to keep his name and his back on the ground. My name is Peter.
Yes, boss.
We are the children of the poor, and we represent the poor in the midst of the rich, where we continue to inconvenience the rich on behalf of the poor. One day, pikin wey mama dey sell charcoal go wear white and e no go stain.
Madam, please let me do my job. I don't have any other place to go.
She will go, just take it.
Oga said make I carry her things come on, and that is what I'm doing. I lie?
No.
I beg.
No, they just don't worry. Let's just go. Don't worry, Don't worry. Don't worry. Just calm down. Don't worry.
Linda. Yeah, hello, Linda. How are you? No, I'm fine. Yes, I know Chief Eze. Yes, I know he's a dangerous man and must be taken care of. Okay. My fee is 10 million naira. 10 million naira or no deal. Deal. Then give me 24 hours. The deal will be done. Okay. We will attend his funeral together.
What's wrong with you?
Sorry, sir.
Get behind me.
Sorry, sir.
Chinaza, you told me my brother and Tessie are getting along well.
Yes.
So what's this all about?
Honestly, I'm as confused as you are.
Chinaza, you are hiding something from me. And you won't like me if I find out things myself.
Auntie Jane, everything was fine until yesterday.
Hey, okay. I'll do something about it.
Sir, my sister asked me to come with her because she speaks little English.
That's okay. Then ask her, when am I expecting my goods?
Les marchandises arriveront dans 3 jours.
Your goods will arrive in 3 days' time.
3 days. I hope my name, or the company's name is written on the goods. I don't want stories.
Oui, tu ne me fais pas confiance.
Yes, sir. Don't you trust her?
Well, in business, certainty outweighs trust.
Je veux assurer que votre marchandises sont entre de bons mains.
Be rest assured that your goods are in safe hands, sir.
Good, good. Okay, I will transfer the money to her account after this meeting.
Merci beaucoup, monsieur. Mais il y a une chose que je voudrais vous demander.
Thank you, sir. Can she ask you for a favor?
Of course.
J'ai besoin que vous me prêtez 200 millions de naira pour importer ce type de marchandises.
She wants you to lend her 200 million naira to import some goods.
That's not possible. I mean, let's finish the one on hand before we talk about another one. It's only natural. So deliver on this first and then we can go to the next one. Can we go for lunch? Are we ready for lunch?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. All right.
Hi! No wonder they say this life is just nothing. Eh? So now supposed to die. So if I hadn't farted, I would have been a dead man by now. Yes, because it was when I farted that Chief Eze asked me to go back. And immediately I did that. Bam! The gunshot. Ha! That's how I just die. Baba God. Jesus, you love me too much, oh. Too much, oh. Too much, oh. Excess love, oh.
Friday.
Sir.
Are you okay?
Sorry, sir. Yes, I'm fine. I'm just thanking God.
You sure you're fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am under fire. So you and Detective Mike
will go on an investigation concerning Chief Eze's case.
Huh?
I want both of you to be careful. Assassins don't spare life. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Sir?
Are you here?
Yes, yes.
Do you understand me?
Sorry, sir. Yeah, I don't understand. You say assassins don't spare life.
Yes.
Sir, I can't go for a deadly mission or a suicide mission, sir. I cannot go.
Is something wrong with your head?
No, sir. It's just that I cannot go and die, sir.
Listen to me. Investigation is different from a suicide mission.
Sir, I understand. And the work what we do. Now the same thing. They just use grammar cover them. Sir, I cannot die.
Friday.
Sir.
Friday.
Sorry, sir.
Friday.
Sorry, sir.
How many times did I call you? I called you 3 times. Be very, very careful with me.
Sorry,
sir.
Be
very, very careful with me. Hello?
Assassin.
My friend, you better obey the last order.
My friend, you better shut up. Last order to go and die. Who wants to die? What did they worry this on? I better keep your mouth here. No. Something is wrong. What did this man talk about? Me? To go and die? No, I no fit try am.
Friday!
No. My brother, they call my name.
What are you saying?
Wetin that they talk now, wetin that they talk. God just saved my life. True fact. If fact fit save me, that one a sign. Why I go use my hand go put myself on another death sentence? Make me go. I go die. I will never do it. Look, read my lips. I will never, ever go and die. It better make I just resign. Once and for all. I can't do this again.
Wait. Why you want to resign? Why?
Because I don't want to die young. Suicide mission.
My brother, see, if now about this mission, forget it. There is nothing. We go fit do am.
Yeah.
Go do am.
Yeah, I like your zeal. As I see you now, I see coffee. Now they see around you. Because if you die now, people not go even cry. We won't cry for you. Because you're just a hopeless bachelor. Now your time go die, you're right, gone too soon. If you die here now, I'll bury you. Not be me where I keep family for house. Wife and children. I don't want to die like that. I want something like, in gratitude to God for the life we spent, we are pleased to announce the passing away of our brother, our grandfather, who passed away. Something like that. Not be gone too soon. I will never do it. I will never try it. This mission, in fact, is over. No, I gotta come and tell him. I know fit. I go resign. I know fit.
I go write the resignation letter now. Go write them now.
I said I go write them. In fact, I don't need to write them finish. I don't write them.
What's going on here? What's the argument about? Both of you were arguing. What's going on? What's going on? Let's go.
Sir, hold on. It's not like I don't want us to be fast. I like the way we are moving fast. It's just that, sir, this mission, my spirit, I like to work with my spirit. You understand? I think I want to resign. This job don't tire me.
What did you say?
Sir, please, I want to resign.
What did you just say?
I said I don't want to work again.
Listen, my friend, I am already under fire. The pressure is too much on me. So if you want to add more to it, I will help you destroy your life.
No, let me
listen to me. You were the person that told Chief Eze to pass through that way. So I will quietly write a letter to the commissioner and tell him that you and the sniper are working together. So please respect yourself and get in the car. Do you hear me? Nonsense.
Ha! Me and the sniper? Sir.
Listen, Detective Ray, it's not as if I don't want to do business with you. But the amount of cocaine in question here is too large. It's too much. Okay. Do you have a supply?
Yes. His name is Peter Akwa. But I do not know where or how to see him.
Peter Akwa. If you must see Peter Akwa, you must go through his representative.
Peter Akwa has representatives?
Yeah, it does. Her name is China. Once you see China, China will take you to Peter Akwa.
Do I really need to go through this stress?
Excuse me?
Never mind. How do I get to China? See you when I see you.
Be careful.
Yeah, billionaire lady. I am the man who gave your son a ball. Don't even bother asking how I got your second line. I am a businessman. Considering the multi-million dollar companies and conglomerates you have around, and with regards to all the poverty-stricken people roaming around the streets, whom billionaires like you have refused to help, I decided to pay you a visit. I will get back to you when I want to. I represent a generation. If I succeed, a generation succeeds. If I fail, a generation fails. Whatever it is going to take for me to make this money, I will do it. One day, begin when mama dey sell charcoal, go wear white, and they no go stay.
See, please. I don't want my cars. I don't want my jewelry. All I need is my son. Please.
Well, I don't have a say to your request. My boss has the final say. So you either get into this car, let's go meet him.
How do I trust you? Please.
I don't talk too much. Get into the car, let's go.
Hello, sir. No, sir, we've not been able to get the assassin. We are trying our best, sir.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We will do our best, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where's my son?
Your son is safe.
So where is he? Can I have him?
Your son has something that belongs to me.
Something that belongs to you. And what is it? What's something?
The ball.
I don't understand. You gave him the ball, remember? I didn't ask for it. You gave him the ball.
The law of nature, action and reaction are equal and opposite. Nothing goes for nothing.
What does that mean? Please, I want my son. Besides, that ball is worth 250 naira, if I may say. So, what is all this about the ball?
Did you say 250 naira? That ball is worth 250 million naira.
What? You are mad. You must be insane. Please, can I have my son? What's all this?
Madam.
Okay, I'm sorry. It's fine. I'm sorry, please. Okay, I don't have that kind of money.
If your son's life still mean anything to you, stop raising your voice. Find a way.
I'm sorry, but where do I get that kind of money from?
Your car.
You have my car!
If you can afford that kind of car, you can as well afford 250 million naira. The choice is yours. The money or your ball. Now, get out of my car.
Please, just come down from your figure. It's too high. Please.
Get out of my car.
Please now, Oga. What's that?
What the hell is this car? Okay, you're close. Good. Good day. Where is Friday?
He called me, he said he's been hospitalized.
Hospitalized? Yes. I don't understand. How can he say that? Turn the car. The idiot. He thinks he can mess with me. Hello, Friday. You what? Come on, get yourself out of that place within 30 minutes. Are you mad? You dey joke with me, you dey craze. Get yourself out of that place. You dey drip. If I come there, you will not like me. What is wrong with you? Which kind of sickness you dey form so? Come on, get yourself out of that place. Nonsense. Rubbish.
Mommy. Oh, thank you.
What is the matter with you? Why are you feeling?
I'm sick. The doctor said I have typhoid, malaria, even jetty.
Really?
Yes.
So sorry, you're going to be okay, okay?
Thank you.
But then you didn't sound sick on the phone.
Forget how I sounded, though. Look at me now. I'm shaking.
See, my friend, listen, why did you do it?
Do what, sir?
Answer me, why did you do it?
Sir, I don't understand, though. Oh, God.
Do you know, detective, that lying under oath is a crime in law? Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
So why?
Sir, this work don't tire me. Sir, no be say I dey sick. I don't tire for this work. I won't resign. Let me lie say I dey sick. I know dey sick.
What? This guy is ridiculous.
That's no problem. You want to resign, Abby?
Yes.
Fine. But as long as this investigation is on, we will finish it. If we finish it, you can go to wherever you want to go. But as long as this investigation is on, my friend, if you try any other thing funny, she will not like me. Cross the go.
My belly. Like say my belly.
They told you waiting.
Will you keep quiet?
Respect yourself. Oh.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about. Let me remind you that we have unfinished business.
Young man, I don't know you and I don't know what you're talking about.
There are some money you're meant to pay into Pitakwa's account and you've not made that payment yet.
Young man, I said I don't know you. So stay the hell away from me. Whenever you see me, go the other way and I will go this way. So leave me the hell alone. As for Pitakwa, I had the same message to him.
Sorry, madam.
Whatever.
Naza,
Yes.
how are you?
I'm fine.
I was actually on my way to your house. Hope your boss is around.
See, I don't think going to the house is a good idea. The last time you came there, my boss was very, very angry. I advise you just stay away from him for now until he says so, please.
But why? Why will I stay away from him? See, I don't understand, Naza. How can my man throw me out just like that? What did I do? See, I need to go there so that he will explain to me what happened. I want to understand. Please, I need to.
Tessie, it's like you don't understand what I'm saying. This is more serious than you think. He even called the police, telling them that you are invading his privacy.
Please?
Yes. So I advise you keep away, okay? I'll talk to you some other time.
Hey.
What are you driving now? What are you driving? You're moving too fast now. What? What? You won't keep person? Eh? Don't you know that there's a sharp turn on this lane? Until person die now, I'm going to say person need to take careful for this road.
Why you say every time you go, they're scared of your life? Eh? Why even join the police for that at first place?
Oh, I joined the police to die untimely death. No, now make me join. Make I just can't die. Say that road kill me. I joined because of my bravery. But I'm not going to say because of that make you come. Watch now! What's your problem? Stay on your lane! Stay on your lane!
Listen. Now me be boss for here now. You dey hear me so? You go to listen to what I dey talk. You dey hear me so?
Now you be boss for here. My brother, let me tell you something. You be boss for office, not be for here. For this mission, now me be the boss. And again, when you go to that, you go park this car. I will call Oga report this matter to you. You be boss, now you the drive now snap for back. I mean, just stay your position. If you know, if you be boss now you the drive now snap for back. Better stay your position. You see, if you not blow horn,
I don't get your time. I don't get your time.
See, I'm now. You know go trafficate, oh. Trafficate. You know go trafficate. Rubbish.
As you know, Pisakwa is a very, very dangerous guy. Please, you guys need to treat with caution. Please.
Well, Nelly, since we've been doing business, you know we have been trading with caution and on a low key. I believe this is not going to be an exceptional.
I hope it won't be.
Yeah.
Chuma, I want to talk to you.
If you have to talk to me, then she must leave.
Chuma, why? Why must Tessie leave? That is exactly why I am here.
Uncle Okonkwo, listen. You know I'm a very busy person. If you want to talk to me, let's go inside. But she's not coming with you.
Brother.
Keep quiet.
Chuma, I am not going inside with you. I want to know exactly why Tessie must not go in with me here. Why you have refused to get married. Chuma, you are a billionaire. You have all it takes. You have money. You have so many people you are sponsoring out there. Scholarships and all whatnot. Chuma, what is the problem? Are you into any form of ritual or what? Chuma, just look at yourself from head to toe. Your mates in this community are supposed to be fathers of many children. And here you are, a bachelor. Chuma, talk to yourself. Talk to yourself, Chuma. Huh? You are becoming a total disgrace to the entire family. Everybody is talking. Tongues are wagging. I am tired of listening to rubbish. Okongo, what is happening to you? I'm tired. Talk to me.
Keep on listening.
Is that all you have to say? I didn't come here to receive insult. Take him one. Let us go. I am not going inside that house without you.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Pencil. You know, Nelly's a friend. And whenever she's angry with you, I am angry with you. But for peace to reign, I'd want you to adhere and stay clear. Do as she say for peace to reign.
Jack, do you know who Pitakwa is?
Shut up! And who is Pitakwa?
Jack, pencil.
My name is China.
China? You know, when I heard the name China, I was expecting to see your beautiful damsel, not an ugly monkey like you. Hey, I am sorry.
The last person that insulted me is currently dining with the devil in hell.
I just talk rubbish when I open my mouth.
Shut up!
Sorry. This mouth will put me in trouble one day. I'm sorry.
You're lucky I'm in a good mood.
Please, leave my balls, please. I beg.
Let's get down to business.
So, how do I see him and how do I get the stuff?
He's not in town. He's currently in US. Pay in the money to him and you'll get it delivered to your doorstep.
So how much for 40 gram?
100.
All right. Deal. I agree.
Good.
I'll transfer the money.
Sure.
China. My car broke down by the roadside. And while I was struggling to attend to it, my boy Pencil told me about this pressing issue. So I had to abandon my car to get this fixed. Thank you so much for honoring my invitation. And like I said before, I mean no harm.
Yeah, I'm glad you said you meant no harm. If you don't, why don't you just leave me be? Why do you keep threatening me? Why do you keep sending your boy after me? Remember, it was and it is 60-40. So what's up? Why are you being greedy all of a sudden?
There comes a time in the life of a man when he has to go extreme. Extremely extreme. Extremely, extremely extreme. Just to get his desires achieved. I plead with you, I implore you. Give me an extra 5%.
Petakwa, you're becoming greedy by the day. Remember it was supposed to be 60-40. I took all the risks. I took the heat in China. I swallowed the cocaine. I came back into the country and you suddenly changed everything from 60% to 80%. That is not fair. It's not fair at all. Anyway, since you have bring down your ego by begging, I will see what I can do. Maybe I'll give you 3%.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. This will go a long way. This will go a long way. Thank you. Like I said before, my car broke down by the roadside, so I don't mind if you accompany me. Let me pick something from the car. After that, I go drop you off.
I can call my boys to come pick me up. You don't need to drop me.
Just accompany me. Let's discuss one or two before I get to where my car is. Pick something from the car. I'll take you home.
Are you sure?
My word.
Alright, if you say so.
Here in a jiffy.
What? Peter, what is this? What the hell is this? You told me that this is a peaceful meeting. So what the fuck is this?
You know the reason they do not play music in banks? Because money does not like noise. I mean, mobile money, I do not like noise. This is a peaceful meeting. Do not raise your voice again. This is a condemned man. This is a dying man. And he has only one last wish. And you must grant him his dying wish. Shh, say no more word. Give this dying man a kiss. And be fast about it. No more word, or I get you killed.
Okay, fine.
That's not enough. Kiss him very well.
So what's my fate?
Yeah. Pam? My name is Pitakwa.
Pitakwa?
Jack is about to die.
Jack?
Nothing.
Jack? Pitakwa, please don't kill me. Don't kill me. Have mercy on my soul. Please don't kill me. I can be your boy. Let me serve you. Let me serve you, please. Don't kill me.
I gave you countless chances. Countless opportunities. You failed me over and over and over and over again. You disappointed me severally. I do not have the power to forgive, God is the only man who forgives. My duty is to send you to God, while God himself forgives. Say me hi to the Lucifer.
Please don't kill me! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! Please don't kill me! Please don't kill me! Please! Please!
So, what is my fate?
One more step. Your brain will plaster this wall.
Don't kill me, please don't kill me. You know you are a fish. I'm a fish also, and we don't eat each other. Please don't kill me.
There are different species of fishes. I am a shark. And sharks feed on other fishes. If thrust therefore street, water for not the boy fish. Say your last prayers. And you say me hi to Lucifer. I am a businessman. I know the value of blood. Blood is a very expensive commodity, so I do not waste human blood. Get in the car and you will leave.
So, where is my girl? Your girl is in safe hands.
Peso! I say, where's my girl? Don't do me, Peso! Where's my girl?
Level up. Your girl is in safe hands.
Peso, you know no one fuck with me, but I fuck with people. That's why they call me level down. So where's the way forward?
Follow me to see my boss.
No. Peso, you follow me.
I'm not going in that car. You have to follow me to see my boss. And that's the last thing I'm going to say to you.
Peso!
You already know what I'm capable of doing. You know I am a child of the poor, and I represent the poor in the midst of the rich. And I will continue to inconvenience the rich on behalf of the poor. One day, pikin wey mama dey sell charcoal go wear white, and you no go stain. Alright, if we have a deal, where are the money? Alright. I'll call you back. Itakwa, where's my woman? In safe hands. Perfectly okay.
What does the business got to do with my woman?
I know how much you love your woman. I know how much you cherish and adore her. I know quite well that the only way I could get you to do this deal with me is to have your woman as a leverage.
Sometimes the way you talk, it surprises me. It really surprised me. What is the business of the deal got to do with my woman? My woman, for that matter. What is the business all about? Huh?
There is a consignment I want you to receive with me.
What is my cut?
20%.
No. No. It's too small. 20% is too small, Peter.
You know I'm not a greedy man. I'll make it 25.
Okay, so where's my woman?
Babe, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Let's go. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Just calm down, yeah? Listen, yeah? It's okay.
My friend, wake up! My friend, wake up!
What's the meaning of that rubbish?
Wake up, we don't reach our destination.
Meaning what? My friend, continue driving.
Clear those sleep off your eyes. We've gotten to our destination.
Stop here, stop here, stop here. Wind down.
Can't you see the AC's on?
I say wind down! Now this place now, come down off the car.
Calm down and do what?
I say come down, make you come put door for me.
What's the happy here now?
Like say you want make a call, Oga. No, make a call, make everything scatter. I say come down, make you come put door for me sharply. Wind up first, we go. When you wind up, you go. Yeah, go open door for me.
Lock door now. You don't go lock door. Lock door.
Follow me.
Wetin you dey bend? Wetin you dey find? For your mind now, you dey vigilant. I know that it's not be the place.
Oh boy, calm down now. I say now here now. Calm down.
And they sleep by peaceful sleep. They wait. We don't reach. Where the person now? But you transact with coconut now. Align with coconut.
I got your money here.
China will take you to the place where you will pick your consignment.
Nice doing business with you.
Why did you keep me waiting?
I apologize. It will never happen again. Thank you, sir.
But don't try it next time.
Thank
I'm dangerous.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Then, yeah, my sister. Oh, just a friend. My name is Monica. Please make us something to eat, okay?
All right.
Make yourself comfortable.
Yeah, thank you.
You want a drink?
Already had enough.
There's no enough in my dictionary, okay? I keep on drinking and drinking till...
Oh, yeah? So, tell me.
It's been very tiring, very busy, but I'm not complaining because I think my businesses are doing well, so I have nothing to complain about. That's just what matters.
Easy, you see stunt where I pull out for there, Abi? And for you to learn, say no be bad, say he dey body. Now once the guy believe, see the way the guy begin beg. I'm so sorry, sir. I'm so sorry, sir. So I'm too dangerous. Now go they make mouth, come on to pull one stunt and I go fit pull. Now me be the main man. Everything now don't get it.
See what I tell you. This thing never finishes.
Come on, nothing dey happen. You don't know the thing though. You see the way the guy, the way the guy believe me. You say you now, don't say you shock now. You know shock. You want to control the guy. Position. As in wear glass, I wear glass. Eyeglass to eyeglass. I better drive motor. My brother. Match break, match break. Listen. Hey! Where am I going? Hey! Listen. No matter what happen, just stay beg. This one not be by rocket though. This one I'm by begging. Try to go back. Go down.
This is the end of the road for you. Go down on your knees. Hands up. I do not think I need any introduction. But for formality's sake, let me reintroduce myself. My name is Pitagua. I am a minstrel from the underworld. A minstrel in the world of Mafioso. I am the only animal who eats his cake and still have it. What was that gimmick you pulled up in the air?
Keep quiet.
Let me have the gun.
Give me the gun, give me the gun.
Hey, shut up.
Give me the gun.
Keep quiet. Listen, I need to protect myself first before I protect any other person.
You know what you're doing?
I said, go ahead, man, move. That's the person where you go when I know what they do. If I person, let me die, you go die. Come on, move. You the booger. I said, move. You know what you are doing. First where you go. Hey! About God. Thank you. Thank you for saving my life again. That's what I forgot to die. I said I won't resign. No, you can resign. See I'm now. Eh? Hold it there! Now what's that? Hey! Sorry.
Your point is that.
No.
Try again.
Sir.
Are you out of your senses?
Who goes?
Don't get out of your senses. Get out of here. Get out! Try again.
Sir. Hey, fool! We all were born good guys. But at some point, we became monsters. The monsters the government you serve created. We are the monsters created by the very people you serve. But we are businessmen. We know the value of blood because blood is a very expensive commodity. And as such, we do not waste human blood. But man, I'm so sorry you have seen our faces. No, I don't see your faces. Are you here? Why have I a problem? Short-sightedness. I don't even feel they see you.
This is the end of the road for you.
Freeze! Freeze! Drop your weapon! Drop your weapon! On your knees! On your knees! On your knees!
If you move, I shoot.
Move now, keep quiet there. Move forward. Don't want to mess with a dangerous man. I told you I was dangerous.
Will you shut up? Shut up!
Sir, with all due respect, I got this. I won't take on their two now before you come. Why you come?
You got this?
Yes.
Oh, no problem. Read them their rights.
Which right?
Read them their rights! Their rights!
They know they are left from right now.
You're a fool. Both of you are under arrest for murder, drug trafficking and kidnapping.
It's okay, sir. Anything you do or say will be used against you in the court of law. I will. Now move! Move it! Move.
Where they look? They look where.
What did they worry you?
They look people where they surrender now.
Oh my giant motor! I carry gun. They face people. You say man, they look. Must I look where they go?
You want me to collect the gun from me?
I don't want to collect the gun. Is it not by chance? If I press this now, they don't die. Oh my roof, man, come pay my leg, pay me. But the bend neck. Oh my bed, leave it. It's a shock lamp. Anybody where they go?
Focus, focus.
Now you I go tell you. I better move.
Oh, but they look where the point's gone now.
Like now until I carry guys, I go soon shoot you. I will not they move. They know they move. They know see the way they lawyer. They know me now. So now I'm take it. They see I'm now. You see the way they do the match break now. Huh? You won't kill me before I kill them. Moko. Try me alone.
Have you seen what it got? You see, go they talk to you, no go listen.
Okay.
You don't do now. Where is Congo and China?
Okay, they don't escape.
How? Did it what?
I see they escape.
Oga, it's Friday's fault.
How? Big mouth. I tell be my fault. They say what they do, they don't ask you which person they are.
Will you shut up? Shut up! Mike, what happened?
Sir, I told Friday to tie them up in the car, but he wouldn't listen. And even inside the car, he was pointing gun at them, looking elsewhere. I warned him, I told him, look at where you were pointing gun, but he wouldn't listen. The next thing, before I could say Jack, they collected the gun from him. Now look at where it has landed us.
Friday.
Sir, the way they talk now, it's not be like that it happen. I was pointing the gun at them. But the thing is, we lack guns. There were two now, I had only one gun. So I started swerving it. You, give you a second. You go face you now, you go face you, you go face you, you go face you.
Are you alright?
Alright, now I was trying to balance it. But that's what I was saying. I said we need two guns.
You need two guns for what?
We need to bail up two people, Oga. I'm not going to finish one gun bail up two criminals. I first tell you.
Who shut up. Untie the idiot.
Yes, sir.
Monica, you are outstandingly good.
Really? Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
So, when are we getting married?
Excuse me?
I said, when are we getting married?
Did I tell you I'll marry you?
What?
Get up.
Why, my darling?
This is not about darling. I said, get up.
You don't mean what you're saying, do you?
I mean every word of it. I am not interested in marriage.
And you've been wasting my time all this while.
Get up. I give you 25 minutes to pack your things. Get up. Now. Your time starts now.
No problem. I will leave. But make sure you don't come looking for me.
Aju. You bring her in now. She start jumping from one man to the other. Yeah. Idiots.
What are you doing here?
There is fire on the mountain and no one is running. Pitakwa has been arrested by the police. They are busy looking for Congo and China. As I'm talking to you, the atmosphere is no longer conducive and safe. I decided to come to your place and hide for the meantime. Once I hear from my clients, we're good to go.
You care for some.
From the information gathered,
you are the one responsible for Chief Eze's death.
Nice singlet you got there. But unfortunately, it is worn out, dirty, old. If I had known I was going to see someone like you today, I would have gotten you a nicer pair. Preferably designers like Balenciaga or Hugo Boss.
Answer my question.
You already know I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of anyone.
I know.
If your statistics were right, and if you did your underground work well, you would have known I was born, bred, and raised in the streets, where the only code for acceptance is conquering of fear. And I conquered fear a long time ago. I will answer your question, but you must provide something for me.
What is it?
Chicken, a chilled bottle of red wine, cigarette, preferably cedar.
So if I get you all this, you will tell me all that I need to know.
Hello? Bro, Pitakwa must come out now. Pitakwa must come out, but 25 million naira, the money too much. 25 million naira not be 25 naira. The money to get wage. It's too big. Bro, you know how everywhere they seal, everywhere they tight. Left and right, everywhere they seed and tight. No way, no way, no way. Okay. No problem, no wahala, we go run am. So I say Pitakwa come out. We go run am, no issue, no problem. Hey! You dey hear the call that they make, Abi? You dey hear my conversation. Now 25 million naira. Yes. So if you share 25 million naira into 3 places, you go know your chair for the money. You get me? So if you get anyone you want call, if not call, you want call. If not can call, if not may call, anyone you want call when I bring the money come. If not, I go send you to graveyard because I don't see people like you, the same face, the same body, the same hair, the same color. Go graveyard. Not be 1, not be 2, not be 3, not be 4. You can be number 8. So let's call now.
Please, sir, don't kill me.
Ha! See this monkey? I tell you someone say don't tell you not kill you. Graveyard. Hey! No worry.
Almighty Pitakwa, look at you, seated here on a chair like a goat, the only creeping animal in the whole wide world. Now wow, what a small world, Pitakwa.
They do not call me Pitakwa for nothing. I am not dangerous. I am not bad. I am brutal. If you do not want your wife and 2 beautiful daughters dead within the next 24 hours, then shut that hole you call a mouth.
How do you mean, Pitakwa? How did you know I am married with 2 children?
I know everyone in this town like the back of my palms. Mr. Policeman, do not take liberties with my magnanimities. I have an uncanny capacity for storing vengeance. The gentle strides of a tiger does not depict cowardice. Even from this very spot, I can wink an eye and your family, your pretty wife, your 2 beautiful daughters will disappear from the face of the earth.
God, please sir. Please sir. Don't hurt my family. The all I have in this world, please. I was just joking with you, I know me now. I swear, I know me now. Please. Please sir.
Scamp off my presence with your tail in between your legs.
Come on, move where? Come on. Come on, move. Now, down. Let me see you. Can you chow dog? Move, you know what? Il est clatant for me, il est clatant for me. Look at the chow dog. Il est tout plein. Un petit peu à cette oeil. Il est plein. Grace, come on, climb the stairs. You don't send money, tell me push it. Slow. Hey, stand there. Look my face. Follow my excursion. As you climb up, go duck like this. What does it? You go to the other side. Grace, you talk to the car, walk for me. You know what, breathe. Hey. Take it.
Take her to the guest room. Easy. Lady.
Hey, who say me you rest? Who say you should rest? How? How are you? So how are you? Do you want to know me? Do you want to know me? You want to know me? Good. Nobody wants to make friends with bad man. I'm a bad man. And nobody wants to make friends with me, and I love that. They favor me. Who is your father? Who be your papa? You mean, huh?
My father is commissioner for transport.
What? Commissioner? Commissioner. You are a blessing to me. You are a God sent to me. Now God sent you to make a carry so that the money that they find will quick come out. You say earlier before I tell you the money before now 25 million, but now I know your papa na commissioner and your partner will lose you based on 25 million. So I share that to two partners. Your partner will give me 15 million. Man, to join the assignment. They get me. You are a blessing. You are a blessing to me. Make a... I dey tell you, say better come tell me please. I don't like please. I'm a bad man. Nobody want to mix with bad man. Ma, bring my phone, No, I will not hurt you now. You are my client. You are my investment. I will hurt you now. How? I got my client. Make her call like you. Now I bring my phone, Call me your papa number. I say, call me papa number. You may call me your papa number. Zero, the audible now. They talk loud. I didn't like. 0 344.
How is this for lunch?
Delicious.
The monster why your government created. You're still talking, right? You're still talking. I need
beautiful girl to quench my thirst. The monster you created, the monster you created.
I want to see you just now. Okay, okay. See you when I see you. Okay. Where are you? Just stay where you are, don't move an inch. China, say stay where you are, don't move an inch. Stay where you stay, stay where you stay. Hello, Chief. Chief, calm down. Chief, I'm trying my best. Chief, I'm trying my... 25 million is not a 25 naira. 25 million not be 25 naira, Chief. Just calm down. Chief, I'm trying my best. I hear you. No problem, sir. I hear you, sir. Okay.
Hello? What's up? Is everything in order? Okay. Okay, no problem. I'll call you later. Okay. Bye for now. Where am I?
Hey. Finally, you're awake. Please, come and sit down.
What am I doing here?
Well, I found you while driving. You were staggering on the road, not in control of yourself. So I managed to get into the car. You slept off. I didn't know what to do. I had to bring you to my house. Did I do bad by bringing you here? Why are you crying? What is it?
Peter abandoned me for my best friend. 5 years. 5 solid years of dating him. What did I do? What did I ever do to deserve this? Look at me. Don't I look like a good person? I can't even believe this is happening to me.
No, it's okay. It's okay. These things do happen. Just don't kill yourself over it. If you believe things happen for a reason, then believe this. You know what you're going to do? Go back to your room, freshen up, put it behind you, come back. We eat good food, okay? All right? Be a good girl. You say you are. All right? Go.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Chuma. What's your name?
My name is Diana.
Diana. Diana, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Unfortunate.
I beg, don't kill me. I beg, don't kill me. I beg. I beg, don't kill me. I beg. Hey! You enter. The bullet no enter. Friday. Omo, I see Pitakwa. Yes, you almost kill me. Oh. He shoot me and next thing I hear gunshot. I see the bullet no enter. Hey now, Pitakwa. I tell you, Pitakwa shoot me wrong. Let me.
Nobody dey here now.
Now they talk. Let's say fear. Because the way I fought it.
I don't understand. It's just say you well at all.
Whether I wear, I said Pitakwa shoot me no balling. I ain't wrong. Let me now.
You?
Yes now.
Like say you go back to that hospital.
Hey!
What is it, Friday?
Hey! I'm on a dream.
Waiting, which dream? Waiting.
Jesus. Just a gunshot.
Who they shoot you? Which gunshot?
Omo. God, I beg, I no won't die. I no won't die. I don't see the sign. Everywhere no clear. If you hear gunshot, go.
So you hear gunshot, they shoot you for dream. Why you don't come die? Why you sit there alive? Why you know that?
Why make me no fit die because na dream?
I
are scared of your life.
Isabella, please, I want you to do a favor for me. Actually, I don't know what the problem is. Your friend Stella has been behaving so strange. I believe ever since I've known her, I've tried my best to make sure she's happy. But these days, the way she behaves, I do not understand again. Just do me a favor and talk to her. What the problem is. Just tell her that anything the problem might be, I'll try my best to settle it. I don't understand. Or is she seeing anyone?
Not at all. Actually, she is not seeing anybody. You know, her rent is due. Her fees has not been paid. I think that is the reason why she's acting up.
Her rent is due? She never told me about that. This is the first time I'm hearing this. Of course you know too well that I'm up to enough to take care of this. God has blessed me to a certain level. Tell her it is not the problem. Anything that might be the problem, I'm there for her and I will fit to it. Do that for me, I will ever appreciate it.
It's okay. Let me talk to her. Stella, darling.
Hi.
He accepted to pay your fees.
Are you serious?
Let's go.
Okay. I'm really grateful. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm so glad we just go for celebration. Going the car is good. I'm grateful.
What? My mom! Heart attack! No!
Isabella.
My mom just had an heart attack!
Okay, good and fine. I can still go with you, both of you.
Please, just stop us at our junction.
Babe, I know that Tamara is not sick. So tell me, why did you do that?
We need to soak him up dry sun.
Hey, look, you got the point. You got the point, babe. We need to eat his money. We need to eat his money.
We need to chop his money. See, as I speak to you now, that stupid guy is still waiting at the gate of his house, just as he asked him to.
You're kidding me, babe. Let's go and see. Baby, let's go and see. Brother, you're still here. What are you waiting for?
know the only thing that can keep you here is that stupid girlfriend of yours. No other person.
You do poke nose in things that does not concern you.
Brother, come inside and eat. I'll just call him now. Hello? Hello, babe. Right now, we are
Okay, I should drive straight. Okay, before the roundabout. Just in less than a minute, I'll join you.
Where?
I'm coming.
You're not going anywhere, brother. You're not going anywhere. Roundabout.
Ned, if you don't stay clear from me,
you're not going anywhere.
I'll do something bad to you.
I'm not staying anywhere. Clear. Since morning, you'll be driving her everywhere. I'm not going anywhere. Just go inside and eat your food.
You're not going anywhere.
I'm not going.
Good enough. Get out from this car.
Brother, you're pushing me away.
Block my way out.
You're pushing me. I'm trying to save you.
Block my way out.
I'm trying to save your life, brother.
Watch me do it.
Oh, yeah, drive. You see that seller, that stupid seller, eh? Hey! Hello!
Babe, my friend needs your help. Her mother is dying. Here is her elder brother.
How are you?
My mother right now needs 150,000 naira for her surgery.
Isabella, I'm forgetting the blood.
Yes, and also 4 pints of blood that worth 65,000 naira.
Is that all?
Babe, please help them. Help them, please.
It's not a problem. I will see what I can do. Join me in the car.
Who was that guy I saw you kissing and hugging?
Kissing and hugging? He's just a friend.
Friend?
Yes. The guy in question hugged her and hugged me and then pecked her. I mean, there's no big deal in someone hugging somebody.
That was not just an ordinary hug and kissing. I know what I saw.
Nobody kissed me. I mean, he's just a friend.
Mother lies, Stella.
They just stop
You can never change. You devil. Oh, brother, thank God you're here. You won't believe what I just saw. This your evil girlfriend. I caught her hugging and kissing a guy. And she's pretending and lying about it.
Babe, tell me what happened. What's the problem?
Babe, I cannot take this anymore. The sister is accusing me wrongly. Okay, a friend dropped me here and hugged both of us and pecked me. The sister never wanted to be in your family at first. Babe, I can't just take this anymore. I cannot.
It's alright, it's okay. Isabella, tell me what happened.
Honestly, I am just so speechless. You know, I never wanted to be insulting, but your sister here is taken to the extreme.
It's okay, go on. Ned, how many times have I called you? What's the problem? Why are you bothering yourself over my love? What's the business? Now listen very good. I want this to be the first and last time you try this. Babe, let's go.
No, brother. I'm not going anywhere with both of them.
Really?
I'm not.
Good.
And if you choose to go with them and leave me your sister here, that means you're thinking from your waist down.
Good and fine. Good and fine. Remain here. Let me think from my waist down.
Really?
We are leaving you here right now. Babe, let's go.
You're leaving me here. Your blood sister. Hey, you're not thinking well. You are not thinking well, honestly. Okay, don't worry. I will meet you in the house. You're not thinking, brother. You want to meet me here? Go. Don't worry. Just go. You tell her. You tell her. That girl there, I go tell her. Stupid girl.
I beg, see, no reason my name. See, no even call my name. That's so plan. No, tell me. That's so plan. Maybe tell me say after the 2 round difference you go pay me. Help me with this. See, I beg, no reason my name for that.
My brother, just wait. I'm not getting things right here. What's the problem?
What I do better while I will say you myself don't know how the thing takes start. Okay, now the other way you see up for road for that people will stand. She tell you say the mama hospital this one happen. Say she know where this one happen. That one allow you. This one say I don't even know where she even come from. This one say I don't know who she be. She got me this one. The one say the one push matter for your head. I can't help them. I say get why I be you. You can't stop now. When they pay me now, I can't be wild for them. Don't they feel me? So now this one I wake up herself Sarah. Tell me say she be your party now, your lover. So she don't pay my money, everything not cash. So I don't want hear matter beg.
Sarah.
Do you know me? Do you know me? Wait. Because of this woman you give me. Wait, they check me for bed, you don't know. No even try near me. I go just piece your head now. No try near me.
You break my head.
I go break and piece, you no go do anything. If I go call police, I know they fear you, I don't fear you. Pain me, I don't fear you. Come on.
I be one door Sophie. Everything na money.
I know. Your sweet love. Every time Stella in the morning, Stella. Look at her. I warned you about this girl, but you wouldn't listen. Now see.
Somebody should woke me up.
Don't worry, I will help you out. I will go in there and bring cold water. I think that will do just the magic. That will bring back your senses.
Incredible.
Better go inside.
Stella, is that all? Just that matter, Stella.
Yes.
Stella, see. Stella, I want you to understand something. Itafa cannot be in police custody in less than 2 weeks. He cannot be in police custody. And without that guy, we cannot raise the money we want to raise. So I want you to reconcile with that guy. Just try your best. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you in the name of God. Just try your best. Reconcile with the guy. Without the guy, everything will be clean. Please, Stella, just reconcile with the guy. Please.
Alright. Not afraid. I will see to that.
That's all. I appreciate it.
Yeah, Chinazo. Has our visitor eaten?
No, sir.
She refused to eat.
She doesn't like the food or what?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? How do you mean?
She refused to eat even without seeing the food. I noticed she has been crying.
Crying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go back to your little post. I'll go to her room and find out what's going on. No, Diana. You can't be doing this to yourself. It's not the end of the world. Huh? Look, you can get over this. From the story you told me, you can get over it. Huh? Come on, darling. Sit well, relax. Come on.
James, my love. My love.
Stella, his name is James.
My love.
Ned, please, just allow her. Go ahead, let me hear from you. Go
My
ahead.
love, please forgive me. I have no excuse for what I did.
Really?
I regretted all that I did to you. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me, please. Please. I love him, please.
Stella, brother, I told you to stop listening to this girl. This girl is evil, brother.
Ned, it's okay, but I'm not.
Please, forgive me. My love.
Stella, as you can see, we're heading somewhere before you. We'll see you some other time. You can go.
Please, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, that's the car. Abi? It looks like. Let's that's the car. That's the car. Let's check. Friday. Friday.
So let me just be sure.
Be very careful. You stay with the car. Stay there with the car.
Me?
Yes.
To stay with the car?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I don't see the people in the van. You get one black woman with his something for eye, we hide like pussy cat.
Yes, I want guy wear grab.
Wait, go get but
Now then get this car.
You get one bush at the end of that bush where they there, one big bush, that bush where they there.
Mm.
You get one big tree, the big tree green leaf they there. Now there them hide there.
Are you serious?
Come on, I will show you. I'm 100% sure, sir. Let's go, sir.
They don't know I'm dangerous.
Let's go. I will show you them. They there now. Come on.
These guys, they don't know me.
They there. Come.
see anybody. What are you doing here?
You know me now, very intelligent and I saw one boy. You understand? The boy tell me say, he see them.
See who?
Them now, the people they look for now. So now I make me go trade them. But at least I don't see anybody.
Friday!
Officer.
I asked you to stay with the car!
That's what I'm saying. Now not be the car who want arrest. Now people want arrest. Somebody tell me say they see them from that bush. Now I say, what have I do with the car when the woman been there inside bush? Let me go there and get it done.
So where's the person?
Yeah, now be the problem. I know they there now. So I made me do for now. So I say, they know they there. Move, they go back.
Get out of my way. Get out!
Friday, where is it now?
Friday!
Where is the car?
Okay, now here you shoot make a check. Now here we park now.
How?
Okay, you see how?
I asked you to stay here with the car. Why would you leave?
No, as you leave now, I leave. Not all of us are on duty now. Now the car was here, the car there here.
What is wrong? What are you doing?
I'm searching for the car, sir. Now here it day. We move from here.
Friday!
Sir!
Friday!
Sorry, sir. Sir, you are
What's the problem?
Sir, don't make me carry the car now. I won't carry the car for here. Where the car? Where is the car?
No. Get into the car.
It was here. From here, I moved to this place. I don't...
Huh? Just move gently. Just accuse.
She said she's happy you like the goods.
Yes. And tell her that I am very happy with her sincerity and honesty. You know, and delivering the exact goods I ordered. I'm very happy.
Je suis heureux que vous soyez satisfaits et heureux. She said she's glad you're satisfied and happy.
Oh yes, and to show the level and of seriousness for this, I am going to approve the 200 million naira she had asked for as a loan.
Merci beaucoup, monsieur. Je me suis reconnaissante. Thank you very much, sir. She's grateful.
Thank you very much. But remember, to whom much is given, much is expected. I'm going to call my lawyers to draft the necessary contracts to establish this relationship.
Oui, je sais. Croyez-moi, je ne vous décevrai pas. Of course, yes, sir. She won't disappoint you.
Oh, talking about disappointment, she had better not, because I am not a Christian to that extent. Oh.
Thank you. Merci beaucoup, monsieur.
Thank you.
On doit partir maintenant.
Thank you.
Come and show me where. Come out. Let's go.
They blow my money, they blow my money. Money come. You allow Jesus, have you? Don't kill me. Okay. Please. Jesus! Please. Hey, quiet. Please, don't move. Don't allow Jesus. Now Jesus won't be the money.
50 million, how much go remain? How much be the balance? We say they go balance.
7 million. Sorry, you said 10 million.
God bless you. No be gun go kill you. You go hold before you go die. You go school. Wanna be 2 years like this now. And the total I need now 25 million and they don't pay 50 million. So now 10 million when remain are divided by 2. Now how much go be the money go be? How much go reach one person for your own share?
5 million.
Good. Your head theirs. So your money now 5 million you will pay. You call your papa and another 5 million to balance everything. So make everything let go. You hear me?
My brother, baby, where can I get that kind of money?
God will punish you. God will punish you. God will punish you. Who be your brother?
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Calm down and explain to me what really happened there.
Officer, we parked here. One guy from nowhere just came out at gunpoint. Kidnapped my boyfriend, officer.
Wait, you kidnapped your boyfriend?
Yes, officer.
Which way did they go?
Where are we, officer?
And this is the car.
So, Ray, what's up?
Rocket, I'm worried.
Worried?
Yes.
Worried about what?
About the case at hand. Pitagua has refused to talk. And I've done everything within my powers to make him say something. But the animal is not saying a word. This is not funny. This is not funny.
Sorry, I'm sorry, okay? But listen, Ray, think. Pitagua is not going to say a word to you. As long as Congo and China are still in hideout, how do you want him to say a word to you? He's not going to say anything to you.
What are you saying?
What I'm saying is this. Arrest Congo. Arrest China. Then Pitagua will tell you everything you need to know. More than you expect. Huh?
It's okay. Thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate it. Rocket, I will wire you your color when I get to the office.
That is important. Very important.
Once again, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Anytime.
You're very stupid! This I say you can't come in. Sir, please. This girl is being naughty. I tried stopping her, but she refused.
You must be very stupid. Can you imagine this girl insulting me? She must refuse me to come see you.
It's okay, Diana. It's okay. I was the one who left that instruction. Okay? Alright, Nazar, go back to your duty post. My apologies, okay? I left the instructions. Come on. It's okay, please. What brings you here?
I forgot my wristwatch. And it's a gift given to me by my late father on my 20th birthday.
Indeed a treasure.
Yes.
So, where do you think it's going to be in this room?
I think we should start looking for it. Here.
Are you sure you forgot something or you wanted to see me? I think you look awesomely beautiful. Wow. Well, you know, laws are meant for some people.
Everything will be fine now. We've not heard anything. Wait, please, I'm pressed. Let me ease myself. Just wait for me here. Just be fast. I'll be right back now. Hello? His sister called the police yesterday.
You called police for me? For me, man? For the matter? Okay. No. Make it no worry. You can't call police for me. Abi? Make it no. See, for the matter, you can't call police. Okay. Hello? No one. I hear. Thank you. I hear you. No issue. Where you see what I tell you. Your sister call police. Police what they want with desho. Abi? See what I tell you. I said you pay 5 million before. But now, when you inform police, you go pay 1 million for to carry a phone. Call police 1 million. And for to inform police, another 1 million. 5 million minus 2 million plus 2 million. That is how much? 7 million. God bless you. No, not be you. You are replacing to me. When you see
You go pay 7 million. Now 7 million. You don't know me. You don't get for come. Say for come. You don't get name. Now block country. They don't go visit me. You make it no worry. No, make it no worry. You no worry.
Did you see anything? No, sir. Find him! Find him!
Hey, Dan. You sounded so frantic on the phone. What's the problem?
I'm pregnant.
You're what?
Pregnant.
Come on. Why would you allow yourself to get pregnant? Huh? Who's responsible?
You, of course.
Me?
Yes.
You must be out of your mind. How could you allow yourself to get pregnant? For goodness sake. Now, get up, get up. I said get up!
Wait. Are you being serious?
Now don't you get me angry. Get up and get out of here. I don't want to know what you do with the baby or whatever, but get out, get out. You think you can tie me down? No, you can't. Those before you never did and you can't. Get up and get out of here. Get out. You think I'm joking?
I'm carrying your child. And that's it.
But don't you ever come back there. Those before you never did. Arrant nonsense.
So that you do your money so before na 7 million. So now na 10 million. And you, your papa no fit respond. So what you do your money na 10 million. 10 million plus 10 million, that's how much?
20 million, sir.
20 million, good, 20 million. When I go pay, I be you? Who I be?
Bad man.
Who I be?
Bad man.
And they favor me.
And what do you think it means?
I have warned you severally. I don't want to see you anywhere. And you should respect that.
And if I don't, what will you do? Look, you have two options. Marry me or you die.
Diana, you're threatening me again. You are threatening me again.
Mark my words. I don't make empty threats. I would definitely kill you.
This threat is getting out of hand.
Yo, hello, how are you? Where are you now?
Hello, ma'am. Good day. No problem. Yeah, my guys and I were standing by. Sure. Clean deal, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you. Joe. Guess what? Guess what now? Man, Joe, you're too mean for my liking. Anyways, I have good news.
The client we've been waiting for has finally called. And the deal we've been waiting for is here already. I will forward you all the information as soon as possible.
How soon?
Very soon. In fact, the deal will be carried out in 24 hours. I'll see you soon.
Police! Hands up! On your knees! On your knees!
Stop right there! Stop right there! Stop on your knees! Stop right on your knees! On your knees! Shut up! China and Congo, both of you are under arrest for multiple count charges of murder, theft, and burglary. You have the right to remain silent. Whatever you say or do here will be used against you in court. Now, stand and move! Do not try anything funny. Move! Move! Move!
Oh, the manner of love the Father has given unto us. Behold, the manner of love the Father has given unto us.
Pitagua! Pitagua! I'm talking to you.
Don't I have the right to worship my God anymore?
Answer evil people like you, you son of the devil, bloody liar. How come the gun that was used in the assassination of Mr. Chuma was found in your men's car? Tell me, Pitagua, who paid you to kill him?
You call me evil. I was not born this way. You and your bad government turned me into this monster I am today. I am the monster you created. The monster you and your bad government created. As for your question, you must ask me one more time.
Who paid you to kill Mr. Chuma?
On Christ the solid rock I stand. All over the ground is sinking.
Answer me! Answer me! Answer me!
According to the information gathered, you and your entire family are against your brother for not getting married at this particular point in time in his life. True or false?
True. Detective, yes. We are against him being single, but we can never be part of his death. This is my brother, Chuma. My brother! Detective, whoever that killed my brother, that person must go to hellfire. That person must be brought to book. Detective, this is my brother. That person, that person, you have to get that person. You have to.
Pitagua, what's your connection with Chinaza, Mr. Chuma's house help?
The only thing God deprived me of is the gift of height. In brains, smartness and intelligence, He gave me in excess. I do not forget. In my life, I've had 3,250 girlfriends, ex-girlfriends. I cannot remember anyone who goes by that name. Come to think of it, Detective Raymond, how would you feel if you heard that I, Pitagua, had something to do with a house help?
The name Diane, does it mean anything to you?
Diane. Oh, the only Diane I know I've met should be the late Princess Diane of England. Of course, you know I'm a businessman. So we met on clear terms. No secrets. None at all. Yeah. The second Diane I've come into contact with was in a concert in Manchester. It wasn't anything serious. Just a fling. A quickie. An interesting one.
That will be all for now.
Sir, this is my boss's bedroom.
Sit. What's your relationship with Mr. Chuma?
Mr. Chuma is my boss. He employed me as his maid. In fact, he's more like a father to me.
What do you mean he's more like a father to you?
Ever since my biological father died, he took the responsibilities. He clothed me. He fed me. He takes care of my sick mother in the village. He even sponsored my WAEC examination. Losing him is like losing a father.
Is your boss troublesome?
No. He's a very nice man.
Okay. Have you ever seen him quarrel with someone either one-on-one or on phone?
Yes. There's this person I know. Her name is Diana. Calm down, Diana. I have everything under control. There is this substance I'll put in his food anytime he comes around that will get him aroused. So, just follow my lead and you won't regret it.
Chinasa, are you sure?
Yes.
You're very sure this is going to work?
Very, very sure. See, you don't have to fear. We're doing the right thing here. How can a man at his age refuse to get married? Is it right? He must get married. And if getting pregnant for him is the only option, then we have to do it.
Game on then?
Yeah, we're good.
Listen, Diana. All your threats, listen to me, just listen, keep quiet while I talk. All your rantings are empty threats. You have no capability. You lack capacity to do what you just said. Come on. You need some training. I advise you go to the village and get some home training. You're not a woman. Am I blind to marry you? Listen, Diana, you're not a woman. Listen. Just shut up. You don't know what you're talking about. I am not. I never promised you I was going to marry you. So all you're talking about is trash. You what? You will kill me? I think I've had it. Just get off my line and don't call this line again. You're an idiot.
God, this is getting out of hand. Has it gotten to the extent of threatening my boss's life? No. Diana, you are getting out of hand. You are beginning to bite more than you can chew.
I don't get you. Where is all this coming from?
Please come up with pretense. You know exactly what I'm talking about. I don't know. I heard all your threats. And when I received your call a few days ago, I confirmed it all. Diana, this is not what we bargained for. You are working contrary to our plans.
Look, Chinaza, or whatever you call yourself, I am the boss in this game. And I play my games the way I want it. Look, you are nothing but a maid in that house. So like a good friend that I am, I will advise you, mind your department.
You lie. Diana, I said you lie. I've come to warn you. Stop threatening my boss's life and stay clear.
And who the hell are you to tell me what to do and what not to do?
Who? If anything happens to my boss, you will have me to contend with. Never take my gentility for stupidity. Excuse me.
I will be waiting for you!
This is all I know, sir. Sir, please. I beg of you. My intentions were good. I never knew this would go this far. All I wanted is for him to get married just like every other responsible man out there. Please try and understand me.
Detective Friday. I'll soon be with you guys.
Freeze! Police! If you move, I'll shoot. Go down on your knees. On your knees!
Officer, I have told you several times I do not have a hand in Mr. Chuma's death.
But you threatened him! You threatened to kill him!
Officer, I don't know what you're talking about!
What's your relationship with Peter Aqua?
Peter Aqua?
Yes.
Who is Peter Aqua?
I should be the one asking this question.
Officer, this is actually the first time I'm hearing that name, Peter Aqua. I don't know him. I don't know what you're talking about.
You better start talking. You daughter of Jezebel. You connived with Peter Aqua and killed an innocent man just because he refused to father your child. Start talking!
I didn't kill Mr. Chuma.
Who did?
I didn't kill him. Okay, fine. I'll talk. I happen to know Mr. Chuma's house help. She came to me and told me that she wants me to get pregnant for Mr. Chuma, so he can get married to me. She said she would always add a substance to his food whenever I come to the house, so he would get a rose and then make love to me. But then I got pregnant and Mr. Chuma denied it and chased me out of the house. Then I met a friend.
It's a nice idea. Grab it fast. I know. But there's no but. She will be the first to be thrown out when you get pregnant.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Yeah.
Diane, you cannot abort the child. Threaten him. Threaten him so that he can marry you. Yes.
Threaten him?
Yes. Threaten him.
Makes sense.
Yeah, I know what I'm saying. Threaten him.
You're right. That's it. I did not kill Mr. Chuma. I can't kill him. I can't hurt a fly. I can't possibly kill him. I didn't do it.
You expect me to believe this?
Everyone knows I did not kill Mr. Chuma. I didn't do it. I didn't kill him. I did not kill Mr. Chuma. I didn't kill him.
You are a liar. Better stop talking now. Chinaza, apart from Daya, who else visits Mr. Chuma's house?
I don't know anyone except for Diana.
How can you tell me that? How can you say that? We are talking about a millionaire here. How can you tell me that nobody visits his house? Listen, young lady, you're already in a mess. So the earlier you open up and start talking, the best for you. Lying on that oath is against the law. Now I repeat, who else visits Mr. Chuma's house apart from Diane?
Sir, the only person I can remember for now is his business associate. She speaks French.
Do you know her name?
Lucien Fleur.
Lucien. How well do you know Mr. Chuma?
Monsieur Chuma, c'est une amie.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Monsieur Schumer, it's a friend and a business associate. Il est comme une famille.
Meaning what?
He's like a family to me. Je ne sais pas ce qui s'est passé ici.
Meaning what?
I don't know what's going on here. But I will assist in any way. I will assist you in any way. So you get the person that did this to him. He's a good man. He's very good. Il a fait beaucoup pour moi. He has done a lot for me. Yeah.
So, you are the invisible man. Rocket. No information goes in and out of this town without my knowledge. But you came in unannounced, ransacking the whole town. Tell me, who are you?
Mark Onyenso, aka Rocket.
Nobody has ever called me by that name, except my late father. I know you want to kill me, but please, before you kill me, tell me who you are.
No need for that. That will be for later.
Huh?
And if I want to kill you, Mark, I shouldn't be having this. Out with it.
You will not get away with this. I promise you. I promise you.
Tell that to the birds. I've heard this 1,000,001 times.
You don't know what you're getting yourself into. You will end up regretting this. You will not get away with this. You will not get away with this.
Joe, we have to go now.
Pitakwa has been arrested and soon they will find us. We have to leave now.
Why?
Because we're done with what brought us to this town. We're done. I mean, D-O-N-E, we are done. We have to leave now.
And I said, I am not going anywhere.
Joe, you must be joking. Joe, you must be kidding me. Joe, get up and let's go. We have to leave. Our flight is in the next 30 minutes. Let's go.
And I said, I am not going anywhere. Let go of the gun, else I'll pull off the trigger. No! Now move it. Move! I said move it! I said move. Now let me tell you a story. Long time ago, in a country far away from Nigeria, there lives a man. His name is Joe. Just keep silent. If you make a move, I'll blow off your fucking brain. Joe. Shut up! I said shut up! Just keep silent.
Joe, how you doing?
If you make any move, I'll blow up your fucking brain. Now let's go. Shut up! Just shut up! I said shut up!
Yeah, hello. Detective Raymond. Yeah, how are you? Yes, there's something very important I want to discuss with you. It's okay. I'll call you by 2:30 p.m. All right. It's okay.
Rocket just disappeared. Where are you hiding him?
She looks so tired and exhausted. I'll advise you go back home. Take care of yourself and take care of your wife. I'm certain your wife must have missed you so much. And I'm equally so sure she'll be so frustrated and disappointed on how she got married to an uncaring husband like you. A man who places his work above his love life.
That is not the answer to my question.
If I were you, I would hearken to the voice of wisdom, the voice of reasoning. Go back home and perform your duties as a husband before another man shacks up your wife.
Smart fellow. You and I know that you sneaked into the country with a fake passport. So I can kill you here, bury you, and nothing happens. So start talking.
It seems you've forgotten whom you are talking to. In case you have forgotten, let me reintroduce myself to you. My name is Pitakwa, a businessman. In the underworld, they call me the Maestro. 1,000 policemen like you cannot break me.
Let's see. Let's see.
Joe, get this thing off me. Why are you doing this to me? Why?
So you want me to kill an innocent man? Good day, sir.
Yes, good day.
I am Joe.
The one who spoke to me on phone?
Yes, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, how may I help you?
I'm here to help you.
How?
I guess you don't recognize his face anymore.
If I did, I wouldn't be asking you questions.
The stranded guy you helped in Dubai at Classic Hotel, Joe.
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, Joe. I remember you now. Hey, what happened to you? My God. Welcome, welcome. So what's this all about?
Someone paid me to kill you.
Someone paid you.
I got you covered.
Joe, are you sure I am not going to get hurt?
No, sir.
All right, I'm ready.
Pull off your jacket.
You bastard! So that's why you became my friend.
What a beauty.
Now you're flattering me.
No, I'm not flattering.
English.
I never said I don't. And besides, you're responsible for your own assumptions. Not being able to speak doesn't mean I can't speak.
You're a chameleon.
Hold it there before you start calling me names. Let me give you a reason to.
What's the meaning of this?
And what do you think it means?
I have warned you severally. I don't want to see you anywhere. And you should respect that.
And if I don't, what will you do? Look, you have two options. Marry me or you die.
Diana, You're threatening me again. You are threatening me again.
Mark my words. I don't make empty threats. I would definitely kill you.
You are a demon from the pit of hell.
I was waiting for this opportunity. And when I saw her threatening you, I went for it.
You will pay for this. It was all my fault.
Hello, baby. Thank you so much for the money you sent. I really appreciate it. Thank you. You are such a good man. Not only good in bed, you are good in everything.
Auntie?
When did you come back? Choma. Choma.
Why are you doing this?
I did it for our own good.
How?
Since your uncle refused to take responsibility as a man in this house, you don't expect me to fold my hands and wash. I need to take care of myself.
Is that why you have to sleep with all the men in town?
Don't talk to me like
Why
that.
would I talk to you like that? This is not the first, nor the second, nor the third time you are doing this.
You can count it for all I care. I don't care. I don't care.
Neddy, listen to yourself. Look at the kind of word that is coming out from your mouth. Neddy, you are such an ungrateful person. What haven't I done for you? When things were okay, I took care of you to the extent that you never lacked nothing. I make sure I provided you with every good thing that you ever needed to enjoy life.
And what's happening now?
You know, since I had problem with my business, I have not been able to balance financially.
I don't know what you are talking about. You can do anything, sell your land, your property, anything at all. I need to take care of myself.
What about Chima? If I sell everything I have just to take care of you, how will you go to school?
You can tell that to the ancestor. Chuma is old enough to take care of himself. I don't care. No matter anyhow, you can take care of yourself. Excuse me.
Please now, please.
Leave me.
Now, please. I beg, please, where are you going to?
Come on, help me, auntie. Come on, help me, come. Help me, no. Please, come on, help me, auntie. Come on, help me. Oh, please, please.
I'm sorry.
Please, no. Come on, help me, no. Somebody help me. Oh, no. Please, don't leave me. No. Help me.
I began to see women in the same light. I am not happy about what happened, but I'm lucky I was not consumed by that. And I'm glad to be alive. Officer, arrest him.
Joe, if I go down, you go down.
I know. I'd rather rot in jail than to kill an innocent man. What's done nothing to me. Officers, read my right.
You all are under arrest. Whatever you say, hear, or do will be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney.